The numbers are hard to hear. About 46,000 people across the U.S. died by suicide in 2020. And when you break this down, that really amounts to one death every 11 minutes.
This morning, a new partnership means more resources will be there to help here in the Valley. Team 12's Trisha Hendricks joining us live in Phoenix this morning.
Good morning, guys. Yes, suicide. It's a topic that's difficult to talk about, but experts say that having someone to talk to can be potentially life-saving. And Honor Health, teaming up with a Valley organization, partnering at clinics just like this one in the Arcadia area, a behavioral health resource organization called Evolved MD, with the goal of bridging the gap of behavioral health care in a modern primary care setting to be able to help the most vulnerable members of our community, especially when people are facing things like depression and anxiety. So they place trained therapists and counselors in the physical health setting so that they can address the body and mind all together in one place. After piloting this vision at 4 Honor Health sites over the past year, they're now in the process of finalizing their rollout at more than 24 primary care locations throughout the Phoenix metro area. I spoke with a couple team members who say, while they've seen rates of suicide and depression increase across the nation, the time is now to stay on top of our mental health.
The best that we can do is start talking to our friends and loved ones about how are you doing, how are you feeling, and I want people to understand that it's okay to talk about it and it's okay to not be okay.
As a father of 2 young kids that are 11 and 12, this is an issue that is very concerning. Through the integration of mental and physical health, we can expand access to high quality services at a low cost in a care setting that most of these patients are already comfortable with, which is their primary care office.
If you or someone you know is experiencing a mental health crisis right now, you can also connect with the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. And you can do that by calling or texting this 3-digit number, 988. There you can talk with a trained mental health professional, and they're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A nonprofit called Vibrant Emotional Health operates the service on behalf of the Department of Health and Human Services. Just another great resource where you or a loved one can get free and confidential emotional support. Obviously, the numbers show this is needed now more than ever. Live in Phoenix, Trisha Hendricks, 12 News, Today in AZ.